Before I tell you about this delicious Navratri thali, let me introduce you to the chef behind this thali. She is a home chef, she's 65 and she's a fabulous cook. Meet Savitri auntie who follows me on Instagram and she invited me to her place to try her Navratri thali. And what a thali it was, boss. There was vrat ka dhokla, rice crackers, mint makhane, roast coconut laddus, sabudana khichdi, dahi wale aloo, oh my god, shrikhand, and my favorite, sabudana vadas. Just pay extra attention to the sound of this crunch. Surekha auntie is making these Navratri thalis every day, so you have to try it out. I'm going to tag her Instagram handle right here. Plus, she's working on some Diwali boxes as well. So if you want to gift someone homemade sweets and namkeen, do get in touch with her. We keep saying support local, support local. Well, here's an inspiring local story where the chef is going strong even at 65. And yes, do come back tomorrow for another feasting story because this Navratri on Loki's Kitchen, we are celebrating 9 days of fasting and 9 days of feasting. Ta-da!